been sincere. He's got some. He's someone with experience. He is someone I think will keep records in his own manner. He's very tech savvy. So I think maybe he could take the club to a newer technical level. So I think
he be a good backup as a VDPR.
Yes.
Okay, to just add to what Toastmaster Ravi said, when Toastmaster Roshan was not active, he had given us a prior notice that for a certain period of time, because of my other commitments, I would not be able to attend. So that was a very good thing that he did not just disappear or anything, but we were pre-informed and we knew that he's not going to be around. So
and he gave that responsibility to someone else to take that role, and that was done very good.
Yes.
So that was.
And another thing I feel like he knows exactly what he's doing. Sometimes he knew that he was going to leave one semester to do that, as focus on his company and also, man, whenever he's in startup weekend or anything, he is process oriented. So it will help us to add benefit to our club to have him as secretary and better mind.
Okay, in this discussion, I would want to add one thing. I think the new members also need to make some comment, because I'm saying that it's just the ex-coms trying to endorse. It shouldn't look like that we're trying to endorse each other. I would request every one of you to chip in. I mean, even if you want to bitch, that's fairly enough.
Uncle, do you want to say anything, because you were here before?
So yeah, I was about to say that since secretary being a very important and it covers a huge scope, and there's a lot of activities going on every now and then. For example, I was in India, but I had chat with Ankit and I asked him to send me all the roles that I've performed in my leadership track. So everybody keeps asking that. And the fact, as Toastmaster Ravi said, that sometimes you might have some personal commitment. So why not have someone with him? We can train probably.
So we have
We do have a backup
or
for
Toastmaster Kripa for that.
But for this post, we have to be very certain that they're doing it together probably. And
So yes, who's going? Do you have?
Yeah, so no, I would like to, for this, I would like to leave the floor open, and I would want somebody who would want to come into the ExCom to work as an assistant with the secretary. Because definitely the scope of secretary's job is too much, and I think Toastmaster Ankit, it is really commendable that he was able to do it single-handedly. But yes, it is a difficult job, so if there is somebody who's assisting us in this, it would be much, much easier for all of us. So I would just like to keep the floor open.
Is there anybody who would like to volunteer? Yes.
No.
Navisha.
Navisha. So you have you as
The assistant secretary.
So does everybody agree to Navisha saying this? I would just like to go forward.
I had a clarification though. When you say that you have a backup secretary, does that mean that person is the assistant or for next time?
This is for the next
going
term.
to be.
No.
So that is what,
Navisha
yes.
is going to be for the next term?
No. No, I would like to clarify on this. There is something, see, you can see the second name there. That is a backup, because here, right now, we are just talking about 6 months, a tenure of 6 months. So after 6 months, everybody is going to move up the ladder. So in this case, if we have, say for example, the secretary is Roshan, but if we have Raju as a backup, he cannot do 2 jobs. He's already working as a treasurer, so he cannot work as a treasurer and an assistant for the secretary. So it is better that we have somebody new who's working as a secretary, and later on, when there is spot, that person gets to enter the ExCom from the beginning. And if there is a vacant spot and if the person has performed well, the person can take that role also. So we're just opening our possibilities and having more people in the ExCom, so that, whenever, say for example, Toastmaster Ankit is going out for higher education. So we know how to move the ExCom at that point of time.
So are we all in agreement? So now for Treasurer, Toastmaster Raju, who has been taking over Toastmaster Sachin's work, we have proposed him to stay as Toastmaster Treasurer. Do you agree?
Yeah, the reasons why we proposed Raju is, first, he's a banker.
Pretty
He's a
sincere.
sincere banker. So we thought that it would be good that he manages our funds and we get some interest out of his bank or when we open the account in his bank. And,
Possible to open an account?
no,
Mm,
we would be opening an individual account, not as a company. Till now, we've not opened an account, so we've been keeping money in our accounts, but we don't want to continue doing that for a longer period of time. So what we are doing is we will either open a joint account or a single account and keep the money in that account, and then whenever there's a change in the ExCom, we change the account. Yeah.
So we have Toastmaster Kripa, who has been suggested as Sergeant at Arms, who has been taking the role as a de facto Sergeant at Arms whenever Toastmaster Roshan has not been here, to take the role as the Sergeant at Arms. And also, if Toastmaster Raju becomes the secretary, then Toastmaster Kripa will be the treasurer. But there is also a suggestion for Toastmaster Sandeep to be the treasurer, because we need somebody who has background on doing monetary, financial transactions.
And also some investment if possible.
So, Toastmaster Kripa first as Sergeant at Arms, are we all in agreement?
Yes.
Yes.
So, as a backup for the treasurer, what do you think? Should it be Toastmaster Kripa or should it be Toastmaster Sandeep helping Toastmaster Raju right now also, and then later taking over the role of treasurer?
I feel that Toastmaster Sandeep would be a perfect fit for treasurer, and Toastmaster Kripa could also, I see her name suggested under secretary as well.
Yeah.
So maybe Toastmaster Raju is going to be taking charge of treasury. She could be helping with the work of the secretary so that she's trained for that, and next time maybe she could be the secretary because she could be prepared that.
I also agree that Sandeep will be better for a treasurer point.
And moreover, since Toastmaster Kripa has not, the last meeting was the first ExCom meeting that she has actually attended, and she is relatively new to the club. So when she is about 6 months old in the club and she has attended a couple of ExCom meetings, she would be more experienced and she would actually understand how the entire system works. So then definitely it is better that she moves up.
Yes, since I was a treasurer and most of my job was done by Nishi because of the online transaction that is very important for this role. I believe that I'm assuming that Sandeep would probably have a international credit card because of which the international membership has to be paid.
So Toastmaster Sandeep, I would ask you, would you be comfortable with assisting Toastmaster Raju in the treasurer's work? And
But,
maybe for right
I
now,
think that's not a
assisting-
problem, but as he said regarding the international credit card, I'm not sure whether
That
I will
is
be able to
okay.
use that or not.
No,
Because
that
of
is
tax issues
absolutely
and all.
okay because I do have one which we are using and Moon also has one which we will be using now. So that would not be a problem. We do not need somebody who has an account. So that is already
That's not a
in
criteria.
place, which is managed. So we don't need to worry about that.
So Toastmaster Sandeep needs to be the person who will be helping the treasurer. So do we have any issues about that?
No. No.
Toastmaster Kunjan, anybody from here, this side, Toastmaster?
Or means couple of CS over here who can say that I can manage this better or something like that. No.
One more thing. Two account. I just strike my mind right now. We have two accountants.
No, you
here.
can't call them accountant.
I'm a side accountant. You can see it here. Toastmaster Navisha and Toastmaster Puspa. Probably they could also be good for treasurer.
Would you like to think
Sandeep is
about
also
being
very good.
treasurer in the future? Because you both of you are very new members,
Exactly.
Yeah.
and one of the criteria
Yeah.
that was set earlier was
6
this,
months.
but would you like to be, do you have any issues with
Yeah, I would suggest that after 6 months,
Yeah.
then they can come in the committee. But let me just ask.
Sandeep wants to answer.
Yeah, Sandeep, what do you do?
Yeah. Our previous treasurer or our current treasurer, Sachin Gupta, in treasury, I believe it's like you have accounts of previous year which is to be carried forward this year.
Yep.
So I propose that he be next to Raju. Why? Because there are a lot of things which has to be carried forward, and which a lot of fees who have used to be paid or something like that, or financial statements.
Yes, I have a reply for that because what happens is we are already in a process of closing this year's accounts. We will update in the coming week. Toastmaster Moon and Toastmaster Raju will be updated with everything that has happened in the past, so that they are ready to take the accounts from where we leave, and that is the reason that we've been asking for everybody to pay the dues on time, so that we can close the accounts for this year. And then the new treasurer and the president, because this is something where the treasurer and the president has to really work together, and since we will be using Toastmaster Moon's account, she will be the one transferring all the money, so they have to be updated all the time. So and we would just update them, so that would not be a problem, and we would step out. So Sachin and I would want to step out of this role and give everything to them. We would like to hand over.
Do you think that's a good idea? Because
Fair enough.
so you're okay with
Yeah.
you being the person who will be helping on this, and you agree with. So we are in consent. Okay, we have.
Yeah, I just have one suggestion in terms of Toastmaster Puspa and Toastmaster Namisha means maybe they can help us manage our finance better, means help Raju and Sandeep on that, on how to do it better, man, because they are the expert on that.
And then, so that later, after 6 months, they are ready to get into the expo. Since Namisha has already volunteered to be assisting us in the secretary's job, she would know the entire functioning, so she can definitely be in there.
So what we are saying, if I have understood you correctly, is that the treasurer is going to be Toastmaster Raju right now, who will be assisted by Toastmaster Sandeep, who would both be assisted by Toastmaster Namisha as well as Toastmaster Pushpa.
Yes.
Is that what I
Since Toastmaster Namisha is assisting the secretary, let Pushpa assist the treasurer.
Yes.
So Toastmaster Pushpa
Keep
will
our
assist
finances
the
straight.
treasurer. So do you think? So I've noted all these points wherein what we have from here, President,
SA is the same.
yes. SAA, we talked about Toastmaster Kripa. The next person to SAA, Toastmaster Kavi or Sadiksha. So we don't have Sadiksha here, we cannot get her opinion. Toastmaster Kavi, are you comfortable with coming in as an SA?
Actually, I would have loved to assist the VP Public Relations. I proposed it to our existing VP Public Relations as well for like 2 or 3 months ago.
So what is your thing? What I have heard just now is a little different from what we've been hearing from before. Where we were going from one post to another. So he is, as I can understand, in opposition of what we were saying. So what does the current president have anything to say about that?
It is just that how I see it right now is that if we are assisting, your chances of being in the ExCom is a little lesser than if you start from the SA. So, to put it very clearly, I would like to say that. So, and since you are one of our older members and you're more experienced and you know how it is working, I personally, I would prefer that you start assisting the SA. It's like, so that you become the SA after 6 months.
So I'd like to ask Toastmaster Ravi first.
No, I think because he's shown, he's come forth and shown interest in assisting the VPPR, and I think that's a good thing because that's something he wants to do. So we should give it a thought, and if he wants to do
About
that, assisting the VPPR.
Not as a year, we were talking about next in line.
Next in line.
What he is saying is assisting.
Assisting. So I think